All right, for those of you who are putting the knob back together or putting the knob back in, there's a spring that goes in. You can see it inside that little circle with a little metal piece that goes outward. And when you install the knob, the open part of the knob rubs against the tip of that spring. So when you install it, you actually, in this case, the slot in here aligns with the arm that rotates. So you can see how this lines up, and then the spring. And there you go. Sorry, I didn't really get it very well as I put it back. And then the rotation of it. That's where the spring comes into play for open and close.